Hey everybody, this tutorial is for those of you who wanted to know how to do a screenshot since we're not letting people do links in your post. That's to protect you guys. So this tutorial is going to show you how to basically do a screenshot of, like if you're on a Craigslist post, because we don't want you linking those. We're going to use what's called the Snipping tool. This will work in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. I'm not too sure if XP has it. XP is 12 years old, and it should be retired by now. But the way I get to Snipping tool is by clicking on the Start button. I have a Start button on mine. If you don't have a Start button, I'll show you how to get to it in the Metro menu. I already have it up here, but the command in your search box is you start typing snip, and it'll come up in your programs list. You click this, it brings up this tool right here. Now, I'm going to use Facebook as an example. This is for if you guys are on like Craigslist and you see something, or if you don't know how to share somebody else's post to the group and you want to capture and share it. So you're going to hit new, just click the button. Now this is going to capture the whole screen the way it's set up. We are going to go to rectangular in the drop down menu. You're basically going to draw. I'll redo it. After you hit new, it's going to turn your screen a different like shade of whatever. You're basically just going to click and drag over what area you want to capture. So whether it's a whole post on Craigslist or if it's just part of your screen. Now after I did that, I have this captured. Now, how do you upload it? You're going to go to File, Save As. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to just name it Test 1. The file type can be either PNG, GIF, or JPEG. I like to use PNGs. That's what I've basically switched to. Save it to someplace where you're not going to lose it. I use my desktop because I'm going to just delete the file anyway. So hit Save. And then you can close out of that. Now, to repost it, you're going to go to the group. You are going to I'll let Pat take care of that. Pat, take care of that. When you're on this part of the group, go to Add Photo, Upload. Make sure you're on your desktop where you have it saved. Click on the file, hit Open. It'll upload. You can say something about it. And then there's your post. Now, if you don't have the convenience of the Start button and you have this terrible thing, that's my opinion, sorry Microsoft, this is terrible. You can, if you don't see your program, if you don't see the snipping tool already listed here, you can click on this button. If you don't have this button, my green screen is messing up. You can right click in any blank space if you're on Windows 8 and it'll give you the option to basically create this button down here. You're going to click it, scroll all the way to the right, now find Snipping tool. Mine is right here. Click it. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to bring the program back up for you and it'll put you on the desktop. Windows 7, it's the same thing. You basically just hit the Start button, start typing in Snipping tool, and it'll come up. Now, I know some of you do use your phones, so whether or not you have an Android phone or an iPhone, doesn't matter. I looked it up for iPhone because I don't really use Apple devices, sorry. It's basically the same thing. You're going to hit your power button and your home button at the same time until you hear that noise. And it'll save the screenshot, and then you basically just go to the Facebook page. It'll ask you where you want to upload a photo from. You basically go to your gallery on your device, pick the screenshot you just took. Let's see if I can get that to focus. It's already uploaded there. And then you basically just hit post, and it'll post it. Now, like I said, that's the same basically on the iPhone and on Android devices. As long as you're using, I want to say it's Android 4. I don't think it matters after that. I think they changed it so it's all the same. If you're using an older Android device, it might be a little different. I think you should be able to just Google that if that doesn't work for you. There's also screenshot apps, but most of those require root access, and you don't really need to do that. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I will try to help you. And I'm going to take this post down so Pat doesn't freak out and message me. And hopefully this helps.